I still got rage inside since I've been 8 or 9. My dad, he went to the store and didn't come back no more. I still got rage, but that's okay. I'm doing my best and get away.
While beer bottles busted, I'm rushing to find the door. Feel solid on the outside, but you're boiling at your core. Greater suffering becomes such things as joy, and happiness is fleeting while you're bleeding on the floor. I take a beating, smile with a greeting. Life is a meaning or quite misleading. Pipe what I'm dreaming, flight to the ceiling more. Think I need a new body, cause I bodied all these demons, but it took its toll and I just roll and smile out while I'm screaming.
I still got rage inside since I've been 8 or 9. My daddy went to the store and didn't come back no more. I still got rage, but that's okay. I'm doing my best and get away.
Cause lately I've been double dipping doses. The only thing that seems to help with these emotions. Too many scars got me feeling like I'm broken. Staring at the world singing, damn, you must be joking now. And I know I gotta deal with the rage. Too many wounds got me shopping in the bed. Too many days, 1 foot up on the grave like, hey, 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 sound system, take me away.
I still got rage inside since I've been 8 or 9. My daddy went to the store and didn't come back no more. I still got rage, but that's okay. I'm doing my best and get away.
I may be hurt, but I'm not broken.
You never can,
So I keep a smile on my face.
but that's okay.
I may be hurt, but I'm not broken.
I still got rage.
So you best believe when I say
I still got rage inside since I've been 8 or 9. My dad, he went to the store and didn't come back no more. I still